polynomials.
Hello, good morning everybody. This is Maheshwara from Base Studies. Today we will discuss in chapter 2, ninth class, exercise 2.2. Okay, see, what is the find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x is equal to 0. What is the value? X is equal to minus 1, x is equal to, what is the value? Ask. Simple question, very simple question. Solution 1, see. Now, P of x is equal to, you write here 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Now here what is given? X is equal to 0 means just substitute in the place of x, write 0. P of 0 is equal to 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 whole square plus 3. 5 into 0 how much? 0 minus 0 whole square 0. 0 into minus 4 0 plus 3 is equal to how much? 3 plus 0 minus 0 0 0 plus 3 3 only. That is equal to P of 0 is equal to value is 3. That's all. Second question. Here x is equal to minus 1. P of minus 1 is equal to 5 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 whole square plus 3. Same here, see 5 into minus 1 minus 5. See minus 1 whole square minus 4 into minus 1 power even number plus 1. 1 plus 3 equal to minus 5 minus 4 into 1 minus 4 plus 3 equal to minus 5 minus 4 how much? Minus 9. Minus 9 plus 3 minus 6. So therefore P of minus 1 is equal to minus 6. That's the third question. P of how much? Here P of 2 is equal to 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 whole square plus 3. Just place of x, write 2 here. Here 5 2 are 10. 2 2 are 4 minus 4 into 4 plus 3. 10 4 4 are 16 minus 16 plus 3. 10 plus 3 13. 13 minus 16 minus 3. Therefore P of 2 is equal to minus 3. Please make a note. Okay, next question, see. Next question. Find P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2 for each of the following polynomials. For every polynomial, find that value asked. I will teach and 2 questions I will teach, remaining 2 questions you can do. See, first question I will see. What is the first question here? P of y is equal to y square minus y plus 1. Okay. First, what is that? P of 0 value. 0 value find out. P of 0. How much in the place of y? Right? 0. That's all. 0 whole square minus 0 plus 1. 0 whole square how much? 0 minus 0 plus 1. Then how much? Is equal to how much? 1 only. So P of 0 is equal to 1. What about P of 1? P of 1 is equal to, again here see, 1 whole square minus 1 plus 1. 1 whole square how much? Here 1 minus 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 0, 0 plus 1 1 only. That's all. And what about P of 2? P of 2 again see here, what is that? 2 whole square minus 2 plus 1. 2 2 are 4. 4 minus 2 plus 1. 4 minus 2, 2 plus 1, 3. That's it. Next. Fourth question I will tell. Fourth question. What is the fourth question? See. P of x is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. Substitute here same procedure. P of 0 0 minus 1 into 0 plus 1. 0 minus 1 how much? Minus 1. 0 plus 1 how much? Plus 1 only. Minus 1 into 1 is equal to how much? Minus 1. So P of 0 is equal to minus 1. Again, P of 1 find out. P of 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 to 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 how much? 0. 0 plus 0 into 1 plus 1 2. 0 into any number is equal to how much? 0. 0 into any number is equal to 0. Next, P of 2 to add. Next, what is the expression? Express right to 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1. 2 minus 1 how much? 1. 2 plus 1? 3. Sorry here. 2 minus 1 1 into 2 plus 1 3. 2 1 3 is 3. That's all. That's it. See, next question. Third question. Verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. Verify whether it is zero of the polynomial or not. What is the zero of the polynomial? Zero of the polynomial means the given value just substitute in this polynomial. If you get 0, then it is a zero of the polynomial. Otherwise, it is not zero of the polynomial. That's it. See, first question I will tell. Solution 1. P of x is equal to 3x plus 1 given. X is equal to 1 by 3 given. 1 by 3 just substitute in the place of x, write 1 by 3. If we get 0, then it is 0 of the polynomial. Otherwise, it is not 0 of the polynomial. Right here, x is equal to how much given? P of 1 by 3. First question. 3 into x plus right 1 by 3 plus 1. 3 will give cancel. Is equal to how much here? Here 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to how much? 2. Is it 1 plus 1 is equal to 2? 2 is equal to 0? No. 2 is not equal to 0. Therefore, P of 1 by 3 is not. Otherwise, right? Like this, right? X is equal to 1 by 3 is not 0 of P of x. That's all. X is equal to 1 by 3 is not 0 of P of x. Next question. A sixth question. Remaining some questions are there. You can try yourself that questions. You can try that questions. Okay. Next, sixth question. See. P of x is equal to Lx plus m. P of x is equal to how much? P of x is equal to Lx plus m. Here x is equal to how much given? Minus m by L given. In the place of x, write m by L is equal to L into minus m by L plus m. L cancel. Here what is the left here? Minus m. Minus m plus m is equal to 0. Yes, you got 0. Is equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, x is equal to minus m by L is 0 of P of x. That's all. Next, seventh problem. P of x is equal to 3x square minus 1. Here what is given? X is equal to 1 minus 1 by root 3 and 2 by root 3 given. 2 by root 3. See here, x place right here, 1 minus 1 by root 3. Solution. P of minus 1 by root 3 equal to 3 into minus 1 by root 3 whole square minus 1 is equal to 3 into, see, minus 1 whole square, whole power even number, minus 1 whole power even number, plus 1 only. 1 by root 3 whole square is 3 minus 1. Now 3 cancel. 1 minus is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Yes, it is 0. Again, P of 2 by 3 you can take 2 by root 3. Again 3 into 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 whole square minus 1 is equal to how much here? 3 into 2 square 4. 4 by 3 minus 1. 3 3 cancel. Here how much here? 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 3 is equal to 0? Is not equal to 0. This one is equal to 0. Therefore, minus 1 by 3 is 0 of p of x. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 by root 3 is 0 of p of x. 0 of p of x. Here see, I will write here. Here I will write. Therefore, p of minus 1 by 3 x is equal to minus 1 by root 3 is 0 of p of x, but minus 2 by root 3 is not 0 of p of x. That's all. Note down. Next question. Last final this question in this round. See. Eighth question. P of x is equal to 2x plus 1. X is equal to 1 by 2 given. Substitute here again. P of 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1. 2 cancel. How much here? 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to how much? 2. 2 is not equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 2 is not 0 of p of x. Please make a note. Okay, next question. Fourth question. See, this is the last question from this exercise 2.2. Find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following cases. What is the 0 of the polynomial? Asked. Find the 0 of the polynomial. See, simple question. 0 of the polynomial means that p of x must be equal to 0. That is equal to 0. The p of x is equal to 0. P of x is equal to how much? What here? X plus 5. X plus 5 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to what? Plus 5 becomes minus 5. So what is the 0 of the polynomial here? Minus 5 is the x is equal to minus 5 is the 0 of p of x. That's all. Simple question. Same solution here. See. P of x is equal to 0. Now x minus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to how much? 5. So 5 is the 0 of polynomial. Same sixth question. See. P of x is equal to ax. A not equal to 0. A not equal to 0 is condition is given here. If a is equal to 0 means the value is equal to 0. That's why it is not equal to 0 given. So P of 0 is equal to P of, here what is given here, see, P of x is equal to must be 0. P of x is equal to what here? Ax. Ax is equal to 0. Now x is equal to what? 0 by a. So x is equal to 0 by a means 0. What is the value of a? Value of x is equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to 0 is the 0 of p of x. Last and final question from this question. Fourth question. P of x is equal to cx plus d. C not equal to J. Same here, P of x is equal to 0. That means Cx plus D is equal to 0. Cx is equal to how much? Minus D. X is equal to minus D by A. What is the 0 of that polynomial? G is equal to x is equal to minus D by A. In this question, you shortcut how to do. Simple. Find the 0 of the polynomial asked me simple question. What is that means? X value here C. What is the 0 of the polynomial asked means? Constant term minus constant term by minus constant by coefficient of x. That's all. Okay, here see plus 5 na? What is the constant? Plus 5 becomes minus 5. So minus 5 by 1 is equal to minus 5. That's all. Here see x constant I think is there 0 only. So 0 by anything is equal to 0. Simple. Here x minus 5. 5 minus 5 becomes plus 5. 5 plus 5. Here see Cx plus D. Minus constant. What is that? Plus D means minus D by C. Minus D by C here. C. Sorry. Minus D by C. So what is that 0 of the polynomials? X is equal to minus D by C is the 0 of the polynomial. Okay, thank you. Thank you everybody. Please inform to all your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.
If you like this video, please like it, share it. If you have any doubt, please comment it in the comment box. But don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.